Do you feel you won it freely and fairly?
Everybody has declared the process free, peaceful and transparent.
Any way that you consider a government of national unity, given the split in the vote?
They are talking about me abandoning my two-thirds majority to seek a government of national unity. Not that is a bad idea, but it doesn't show that there's any need. I am saying the politics should now take the back seat because the elections are behind us. We should now put our shoulders to the wheel for purposes of modernizing our economy, growing our economy together. Those who voted against me, those who voted for me, we say Zimbabwe is ours together. Let's move on.
Once you're inaugurated, you will be the first president that's bound by 2 5-year terms.
Yes.
Are you willing to give a guarantee to the people of Zimbabwe that you will stick to that?
Perfectly. And I always say it, that I will obey the Constitution to the letter, the spirit of the Constitution to the letter. I will if I'm elected for a second term, I will do my second term, but I cannot go beyond that. Fortunately, each time Britain has a woman leader, things are better. Because in 1979, when we had Margaret Thatcher, she stopped our war and brought us to the table, and we got our independence. This time with Prime Minister Theresa May, again, upon my inauguration, she sent an envoy to meet me, say, can we re-engage? We've engaged, and it's so beautiful, it's so nice.
Your nickname is the crocodile, right? Which sounds scary. I mean, there are not many friendly crocodiles. Do you feel you've got a reputation that is feared?
No. I'm as soft as wool.
And what kind of leader do you hope to be in the future?
A people's leader. A listener, a listening leader. A humble leader, a servant leader.